Hi guys, welcome to my fourth Python programming tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to take input from a user in Python. And in the end of this video we are going to make a simple calculator with the help of Python. So watch the video till end because we are going to make our first program which is going to be a calculator. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, to take input from a user, we use input method. Now, what does input method do? It just stores whatever user is giving input in a variable. So, we have to declare a variable first. So, let's call it name. And in this variable, our value is going to be stored. So, let's use our input method. To use input method, we just have to type input. And in this open and close parentheses, we have to give instructions to the user, which type of data we want. Let's say we are gonna make a calculator in the end of this video. So we want an integer from the user, not a string, right? So in this open and close parentheses, we have to give instruction, instructions is also going to be a string, so we have to put it in double quotes and single quotes. So let's say enter your what I'm doing, enter your name. So let's just now I am making a program we just take your name as input and say hello your name. So what this line is going to do, it will just store your name in this name variable. Okay, so let's just print hello your name. So as we all know that we use print method to print something on the screen. So print in this hello. Now if I want to print my variable with whatever we are printing on the screen, we have to put a plus sign. What does plus sign do? It just combine whatever is already written in the print method or whatever is in the double quotes in the print method and our variable with it. I have to type a space here because or it will just print a hello and Rahul without any space. So let's just run this program. Now it is asking us to enter our name. So let's just enter Rahul here. As you can see, it is printing hello Rahul. And if you don't believe me, let's just type another name. Let's call it Tina. Let's run it again and let's give an input Tina. As you can see, it is printing hello Tina. Now let's code our calculator. So it is going to be a very simple calculator. Now what is do is just going to take input from the user. It is going to take two integers and it is going to add them, subtract them, or multiply them or divide them. So firstly we have to declare two variables here. Let's call it x and input in the open and close parentheses. Just call it enter first number, and let's declare another variable y is equal to input enter second number. Now just take the sum of it. You know what is sum, right? Sum is addition. So it is going to print x plus y. And if you don't know about these operators, so you can click on the I button, or I will give the link down in the description. So make sure you watch these videos so you can understand what I am doing here, what does this plus sign means. Okay, so let's just run this program. Let's give it 5 and 2. Now it is printing wrong, right? Because 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, not 52. Now why it is happening? Because what does input method do? Whatever we are giving input to the input method, it just immediately change into its string. So we don't want a string, we want an integer. So we have to typecast it. Now to typecast, we have to use int. Now see what I'm going to do here. I'm just gonna type int. Now what I'm doing, I'm typecasting here. I'm changing the string to int. Now we are gonna learn this in our further videos, what are typecasting and how to change the string into an integer. But well, we are doing it here, and how to change integer or float into string. Now just do it here again. Here we go. Now let's just give it a value 5 2. Now it is printing 7, which is right. So tada, we create our first calculator. We create our first program, which is calculator. Now to subtract, we just have to replace this plus sign with a minus sign, and it is going to subtract 6 from 2, which 4, which is right. Let's just multiply. Let's multiply 5 with 3, and it is saying 15, which is right. And you can also divide with it. You can also divide by just typing slash. So let's just divide 6 by 3. The answer is 2, which is right. So congratulations again, you have coded your first program in Python. So cheers for you. And I know it is very basic calculator, but believe me guys, when I created this calculator at my own, it was really a big success for me. So this is it for this video, and thanks for watching guys. Make sure you hit the like button if you learn something new, and subscribe my channel. And I was thinking, why not in the end of every video we make a program so you can understand that particular topic better. So again, thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, good night.